warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amani. Welcome to my channel. So on this video, I want to share something about Java programming. Do you know what Java programming? Java programming is an object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling in the early 19th century. The team initiated this project to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top box, television, computer, and so on. So the main point in this video, I want to share one of topic in Java programming. What is it? Brain. Oh, it is an exception handling Java. Do you know what is exception handling? The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanisms to handle the runtime error so that normal flow of the application can be maintained, such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, and so on. So we go through the advantage of exception handling. The core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application. And exception normal disrupt the normal flow of application. That is why we use exception handling. So let's take a scenario. We have 10 statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, statement 5, and so on, statement 10. But at the statement 5, we have exception occur. Suppose there are 10 statements in your program and there occur an exception at statement 5, the rest of the code will not be executed. Statement 6 to 10 will not be executed. If we perform exception handling, the rest of the statement will be executed. That's why we use exception handling in Java. Then we go through on the type of Java exception. We have 3 types of exception. Number 1 is checkered. Number 1, checkered exception. Number 2, uncheckered exception. And number 3 is error. But error is also considered as the unchecked exception. So do you know that the exception we have keywords? What is it? In the exception we have 5 keywords. Number 1 is try, number 2 is catch, number 3 is finally, number 4 is throw, and number 5 is throws. So the 5 keywords we usually using in handling Java exception. So I don't want to talk many, so we go through the practical. Let's go. Okay, so we must open the NetBeans. So we open the new project, exception test. So we just throw it away the comment. You want to do an exception test. So let's start off by creating an array and try to do something bad with the arrays. So we put the string and the square bracket, say as an array, animal equal, open the curly bracket. We put the element cat, dog, and fish, and close the curly bracket and put the semicolon. So we try to print line. So we put the system out print line. In the bracket we put animal, and that's the square bracket is an index. So we put the index and number 2 as a fish. And when we save and run, the output will become fish. So next we try to put at the system output line to put the 5 as an index and run. Wow, the exception the output become to the red because at our above index at the element does not have 5 index but just have 2, the cat as a 0, dog as a 1, fish as a number 2 index. The rock is in number line 9, the animal index 5 too. So try catch block help us handle exception. Now we want to try catch blocks. How will the try catch block help us handle exception? First, put the try and open the curly bracket and put at the below system outline print line. Close the curly bracket. We type the catch, open the bracket and put the exception E. And then we open the curly brackets also and we save and try run. What the output? The output is 0 and nothing, because for this, when we don't use the try catch, exception is pretty much just kind of the like a friendly message saying exactly what went wrong and exactly what line and exactly what file. So it's looks so scary. It's actually extremely helpful to help make your code work. So the output is 0 and nothing because we have used the try catch. Just kind of like a friendly message saying that exactly. So how we want to make the pop-up message that the inputs is wrong? So we try to root the system .out.print line and open the bracket, the element, the quotation and put an exception happen because the index we put 5. So we save and run. So at the output become an exception happen. We try to put the right index and the save and run. The output will become fish. Okay guys, that's all from me in this video. I'm sorry for the lack of my language and my pronunciation. If you want me to release a new video, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.